In today's video, I'll teach you how to buy USDT on Binance. First of all, launch open Binance application. You can see over here Binance application has been opened. Initially, you'll be led to this kind of interface. So if you want to buy the USDT, it is actually very simple. What you have to do is simply look at bottom. You'll be able to find various options over here. Tap on this option markets that you can see on the screen. Now once you do that, you'll be led to the markets interface. At top, make sure market option is selected and make sure spot option is selected right over here. Now tap on the search icon that you can see at the top of your screen. Now once you do that, what you have to do is search for USDT. Now you'll be able to see the results over here. Right over here, you'll be able to find the option for USDT. Tap on it. Now once you do that, you'll be able to buy the USDT. You'll be able to see the chart over here. You can see the price, info, money flow, square and trademarks over here. So analyze this information very carefully. After you do that, what you can do is simply tap on the buy option that you can see on the screen. Now you'll be able to buy the USDT. You can see the price over here. Tap on the field of amount. Now enter the amount of USDT that you would like to buy. Now after you do that, you'll be able to see the total amount that you can buy. Also, you'll be able to set the take profit or stop loss point. If you want to do that, check on this box, take profit or stop loss. After you do that, you can simply enter the take profit point and stop loss point. Also, you'll be able to enable the iceberg if you want. You can enter the iceberg amount. Now after you do all that, what you have to do is tap on this option buy USDT that you can see on the screen. Now after you do that, simply follow through the prompts in order to select your payment method. The method can be card, bank transfers, etc. After that, confirm the order within the time limit. Now once you do that, your order will be placed. After the transaction is completed, the USDT will be deposited in your spot or funding wallet. So like this, you'll be able to buy the USDT. So that is how you buy USDT on Binance. I hope you found this video helpful. Thank you for watching.